What if you were given the opportunity to go to any point in time and change the past or observe the future? Hi, my name is Bergman, and in this video I'll be talking about time travel. Everyone's experienced at least once a time where they wish their lives were different, for whatever reason it may be. Whether it being an argument that happened, an embarrassing moment, a test you should have studied for, a person you could have met, a decision you should have made. Time travel, by definition, is, in science fiction, the action of traveling through time into the past or the future. For most of us, we only know it as the entertainment or media in TV or movies, where the story focuses on the consequences of traveling into the past or the future. So what is temporal displacement? Temporal displacement is a phenomenon in which a certain element or an object was moved from one time period to another. So think of it as if you were to go back in time and were to change an event from happening. How would that affect your present? Or your past self, future, I guess you could say. Say if you being now in the present were back to an event that, say, you didn't like the outcome and it affected your future, and you were to change it to event 2, would you, having changed your past, go to your normal present, or would you create an entirely new timeline because of that one event? So now, rather it being event 1, the normal event, it'd be event 2. Would your present be altered? Time travel is theoretically possible, but your science fiction's typical wormhole or time machine is well beyond our current technological capabilities. Paul Sutter, an astrophysicist at Ohio State University, stated, "Indeed, we can jump forward into the future as much as we want. It's only a matter of going really, really fast. Time is only relative depending on how fast you're moving. The faster you move through space, the slower you move through time. We've been able to measure this with ultra-precise atomic clocks in jet airplanes, and the precision offered by the GPS system needs to take this into account. Sci-fi always seems to require complicated contraptions to jump in time, when all you need is a very large rocket." An example of theoretical time travel would be if one were to leave Earth in a spacecraft traveling at an appreciable fraction of light speed. When they turn around and come back, only a few years might have passed on board, but many years could have gone by on Earth. This is known as the twins paradox, since a traveler, being a twin, undertaking such a journey, when they would return, they'd find themselves much younger than their other twin. Einstein's theory of gravity that unites space and time, known as space-time, which curves in the presence of mass, it allows for the possibility of wormholes. Wormholes are a kind of tunnel through space-time connecting otherwise very distant parts of the universe. Basically, like a portal. Traveling forwards in time is surprisingly easy. Einstein's special theory of relativity, developed in 1905, shows that time passes at different rates for people who are moving relative to one another, although the effect only becomes large when you get close to the speed of light. Although our hopes for a machine or car that can let us travel through time at our convenience isn't accessible to us yet, you can find comfort in knowing there is research and ongoing research for this science phenomenon.